Hello trader. You can save up to $30 per month. In this video, I will share another expert advisor. This expert advisor is called Hidden DA. If you check directly on the MQL5 site, this expert advisor is priced at $30 a month subscription. And from the information here we can get information that this expert advisor has been proven to produce growth of 101.70%. With a total of 112 trading days, this expert advisor is still running on real accounts until now. I will tell you the profit percentage every month. It also provides detailed information here. The maximum drawdown that has ever occurred is 20.1%. Profit trades 71.5%. Loss trades 28.5%. Algo trading 96%. A total of 513 transactions that have occurred. 367 times profit. Lost 146 times. And the rest you can see here. For the pair that is used quite a lot, starting from Euro to US dollar, Euro to Canadian dollar to Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. Later I will try to backtest to see its performance from January 2022 until now. The profit you get every month is like this. And for the month of October is still running this month. For the drawdown I mentioned above, the maximum drawdown is 20%. Profit already earned $80,805. Euro to US dollar backtest. My first backtest test was with the Euro to US dollar pair. H1 timeframes. And spreads I made 20. For presets I will use the default presets. Earn a profit of $101. A total of 119 trades. Drawdown 3.09%. Two. Euro to Canadian dollar backtest. The second backtest of the Euro to Canadian dollar pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $77. Total trades 114 times. Drawdown 11.21%. Three. Backtest pound sterling to US dollar. The third backtest I tested with the pound sterling to US dollar pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $125. A total of 141 trades. Drawdown 7.21%. 4. Backtest US dollar to Canadian dollar. The fourth backtest I tested with the US dollar to Canadian dollar pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $75. A total of 115 trades. drawdown 2.20%. 5. Backtest euro to pound sterling. The fifth backtest I tested with the euro to pound sterling pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $180. A total of 141 trades. Drawdown 24.99%. 6. Backtest US dollar to Japanese yen. The sixth backtest I tested with the US dollar to Japanese yen pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $64. A total of 117 trades. Drawdown 2.87%. 7. Backtest Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. The seventh backtest I tested with the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar pair. H1 timeframes. And my spread made 20. Oh, it turns out that here instead I get a loss. Lost minus $248. A total of 149 trades. Drawdown 44.18%. 8. Backtest Canadian dollar to Japanese yen. The eighth backtest I tested with the Canadian dollar to Japanese yen pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Get a profit of $100. A total of 118 trades. Drawdown 18.62%. 9. Backtest New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar. I tested the ninth backtest with the New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $153. A total of 165 trades. Drawdown 10.87%. 10. Backtest US dollar to Swiss franc. The 10th backtest I tested with the US dollar to Swiss franc pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $113. A total of 119 trades. Drawdown 9.60%. 11. Backtest pound sterling to Canadian dollar. The 11th backtest I tested with the pound sterling to Canadian dollar pair. H1 timeframes. And the spread I made 20. Got a profit of $130. Total trades 140 times. Drawdown 23.21%. Okay, what do you think about the results of this expert advisor? Do you use this expert advisor in all currency pairs? Or you just a few pairs that need to be run? Please give your opinion in the comments column. If the video is useful, don't forget to click subscribe and share this video, so that others can also benefit from it. Thanks.